Hi, this is Otissimo and Logistics. Is if today is your first time joining this platform or coming to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell so that whenever we drop any video, you can also benefit from that video. All right, so we have received a lot of messages with customers complaining of how to place an order on our platform and then also registering on our platform. So today I'm going to dive into these issues once and for all. So if you are finding it difficult to place an order or register on the platform, please don't skip any part of this video. Just stay glued to the video and then your issues can be solved with this video. All right, so let's dive into the video. Now, if you visit our platform, all right, which is otissimogh.com, all right. Now, we are going to look at how to do the registration. You know, for you to be able to place an order very, very simply and very, very easily, then you need to register on the platform. Without registration, you'll find it difficult in placing an order. All right. So now, when you come to the front page here, we will go to where it is written log in and sign in. All right, so we're going to click on that. We're going to click on that. Now, when you come here, we have login and register. All right, so if you have already registered with Otissimo, then what you need to do is to just put in your username or email address and then your password. Should in case you have forgotten your password, then you just can come to lost password and then you can create a new password for yourself. All right, so if you are new and you want to register, then you have to click on register. Okay, so here you are going to put in your email address and then password. Now when you come here, you see become a vendor. Now you do not need to click on become a vendor. That is what most customers have been facing. Now if you want to become a vendor, what it means is that you have products available and then you want to set up a store on the platform and sell your product. But here you are registering as a customer, so you only come here to buy when you need that particular product. All right, so we're going to focus on the register here. So we're going to put in our email address, then training. So you put in your email address. If you don't have any email address, you can go to Gmail and then create new one. But I believe most of you have an email address. So training OTC 2024 at gmail.com. All right, then I'm going to put in my password. I'm going to put in my password. Okay, now my password is done now. Sorry. So after you click on register, all right, register. Good. You click on register and then the page will be loading. My internet is a little bit slow this morning, so very good. Now the account is created. All right, the account is created now. So when you come to the left side, okay, you see we have dashboard, order, downloads, addresses, account details, and the rest. All right, so here you can put in your address. All right, because when you are placing an order, you'll be requested for that. Okay, the system will request for that. Okay, so just click on address here. If you want, you can also skip this and just go and start placing your order. All right, so now the following address will be used on the checkout page by default. All right, so you can click add and then you just add your address that you prefer. All right, so I'm going to click on training, last name OTC, and then country you choose Ghana. Good. City you choose Accra here, and then let's look at Greater Accra, right? Good. So we choose, and the zip code, most of you find 00233. That's the zip code, and then you can put in number 0549581529 0549581529. All right, so the email address is here. We click on save. Okay, so when you're able to do this, you wouldn't find it difficult. Now there's an issue here. Street address is required. Okay, shipping type A form. Okay, so street address, I think I skipped that. Street address, where is it? Oh, but it's optional. Okay, so let's write something. Let's write East Legon 24. Let's write that and see something. And then the shipping type. Okay, so shipping type. All right, we have ship from abroad, and then we also have by air, by sea, and then products that are available in Ghana. So with this one, you can change it anytime you want, especially when you are placing an order. So I'm going to choose ship by sea. All right, then let's click on save. I'm not going to save this here because this is just for good. Now it is added. All right, now we can go to the shipping address too. If you want, you can skip the shipping address as well. So when you're able to set up all this very well, you can be able to place an order very, very simple. So sorry, I think I need some water to drink, man. All right, so I think this is the same thing. So let's go back so we can click on the home page OTC More, and then now we are done with the account setup. We are done with the registration and everything. So we just need to um start placing an order. Then we look at that aspect as well. Okay, so we just relax so that the page will load. Oh, all right. So let's say come to the page, I set for any product that I want. If you want to set for any product, just come to what I'm looking for, the set bar here. So I'm going to type in bag. Okay, I'm going to type in bag, and then it will be loading. It will be loading. So we have about 174 products here. All right, so I'm going to look at it, and the bag that I want, I just start placing the order. It's very, very simple. Okay, so now what we're going to do is let us come to the first one, okay, which is about 80 cedis here. So I click on this bag, and then you as a customer, you need to read details about the bag. All right, any product that we post on our WhatsApp platform is here. So when you come here, please take your time and read details about that. Don't come back to WhatsApp and be asking questions that are even written here. Okay, the answers are already written here. So you just need to read. Okay, just read about the details. All right, so now we have selected the bag that we want. Now we want to look at the color that we prefer. All right, so we have different colors here, but then how do you select the colors that or the color that you want? All right, so you come to color, so choose an option, and then if you click on this one, this color, let's choose a different color and see. Photo color, that's red. Okay, so photo color is red. Okay, so let's assume that we want two of this bag. Now we increase the number to two, and then we want maybe green also one. So what we're going to do is that we're going to click on add to cart. So this will be added to our cart. Now you see it. Now we can close this one here. Now we come back again, so we don't need to go there. We come back here again and change the color. Let's say we want this, we want one, and then we add this also to cart. You see the procedure, everything is added here. Now let's say we want to go back to and set for a different bag. Okay, we want to search for a different bag. We can just click on woman fashion here. So the same procedure, you just come here and then click on bag, and then you search for it. We want to select different bag here. All right, different bag. Okay, so I'm going to pick this bag here, or let me come down and pick maybe this bag. We click on the bag here, and then we choose color. All right, so the same procedure as the first one. Maybe we want to go for red, and then ship from is China. All right, so this red, maybe we want two of this back, we add to cart. The same procedure. Okay, so we wait. The internet is a little bit slower. Okay, it is added. So let's assume that we are done adding the product that we want to cut. All right, we are already done. We are done with that. Okay, so we will come to view cut. All right, we will come to view cut here. We come to view cuts, and then the item that we added already here. The item that we added are already here. All right, so we come to this aspect here, proceed to check out. Proceed to check out. Okay, so we proceed to check out. Now you remember that earlier on we set up our billing address and all that, so everything is here. So you can see. So even if you want air shipping, you can change it back to air shipping. It's very, very simple as that. Now you come to delivery location. No, you see this, we want to know where you are so that when the items arrive, you know that, oh, this customer is here and blah blah blah. So let me just type in East Legon. Sometimes some of the location. Okay, so come on, East Legon. Let's see what we're gonna get. So we click on it, and then it is selected. Let's see, everything is done here correctly. We want to make sure that everything is done here correctly. All right, before we proceed. So if you look at this, shipping fee will be communicated as soon as items arrive. So it means that when the items is being shipped and it's arrived, we communicate the shipping fee to you, right? So we click on next, and then so this is the items that we place in. Okay, so this bag we want two, and then this we want one, and this we also want two of the bag, right? Okay, so the item is being shipped from China. So this is your total 330 here. 330. Now you can see shipping fee will be communicated later, right? We choose mobile money, and now this is the Momo where you need to place or make your payment to. The details are here. All right, so you just put the number down. You just have to put the number down. You don't need, because the moment you click place order, you wouldn't see this again. So what you need to do here is just to copy the number or take a picture of the number, read the details, pay through Momo, and use your order ID as the reference number. At this time, at this moment, you don't have your order ID. All right. So make sure you pick the number or write it down, write the name, which is Otissimo and Logistics. All right. Now, when you are done and you are certain, what you need to do is to do what? Is to place an order. You click on this to place an order. So let's see what happened. Good, your order has been received, and this is your order number or order ID. This 5164, the date that you place the order, your email, the total amount, and the method of payment, which is Momo. All right, so what do you do now? Since you have already copied the number, the Momo number, all you need to do is to proceed to place an order using your order ID as your reference number. Using your order ID as the reference number. This is very, very simple. All right, very, very simple. So you can see here, shipping fee will be communicated later. It is very, very, every detail, all your details are already here. So if you do not do this correctly, you will find it very difficult placing an order. I hope you understand. Good. So this is very, very simple here. This is your order ID 50 5164. Okay, 5164. Good. So when you are done, okay, you are done, you just go back, go back, go back. So let us look at how you can track your order. All right, let us look at how you can track your order. So if you do not make payment after 3 days, this order will be cancelled from our system. The order will be cancelled from our system. All right, yes, it will be cancelled from our system. So let's assume you have made payment. Let's see a month now. You want to what do you call, track your order. You come to track your order. Okay, track your order. Yes. So when you come to track your order, you put in your order ID. You remember the order ID or the order number. So 5164, and then you put in the email address, which is trainingotc2024 at gmail.com. And then you click on track, and let's see what's going to happen. Now, have you seen it? Or your order is here? Track your order. So have you seen your order details? Order number 50164 was placed on 29 January 2024 and is currently on hold. So our team will work on this order and then update it, either being processed, completed, shipped. You know all that. You understand? So it is very, very simple. It is very, very simple. Very, very simple. And when the item arrive, and then you go back to check your order, you see that, okay, where it is indicated on hold, items has arrived in Ghana. So this is very, 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 very simple, guys. This is very, very simple. Very, very simple. You see, so you get every details of your order here. Every details of your order is here. So there is no difficultness in placing an order using OTC more and logistics. So guys, I think I'm done now. I need to end the video here. So if you have any difficulties, don't forget to WhatsApp us on 0549581529. We are always active on WhatsApp. Yes, so much due to the messages that keep on coming in every blessed day, sometimes answering calls are somehow difficult. So just WhatsApp us and then you're going to get a response. All right. So thank you for watching this video. If you think this video helped you, please do not hesitate to subscribe. Click on the notification bell, share the video, like, so that our channel will also grow. Thank you very much.